DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Welcome, and thank you for joining me. Besides the videos we already make, coming in 2020, I'll be starting a new series, which will take you back in time to present day. I'll be telling you the history of many buildings in Ohio, Florida, and West Virginia. Not to be knocking anyone else's videos, but I've seen tons of videos that show one, maybe two pictures the entire video, and they read just a couple of sentences off the page and call it done. To me, that's not really a history video. Myself, I searched for hundreds of articles, pictures, and any videos that I could find of that building, including the surrounding buildings of it, going back to the 1800s and further, treating it like I do my own genealogy. Everything is a clue. Now, when I find articles, I don't write down the whole thing word for word. I just take notes from everything I find, then write them into my own article or script, since this is going on video, from them notes.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.